This is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And we've been talking about today about things you can do to maintain your website, to keep it up and running smoothly. We've talked about things like backing up your WordPress, your database, and your files. Another thing we want to talk about here is updates, and why you really want to update your website, your WordPress, as you go along. You may see some things along here, some notices you might find on your site. And like here, it says the new version of WordPress is available. Please update now. This tells you that there's a newer, better version out and you want to update it. And the same thing with the plugins and things in the dashboard. It's telling you have things that you should update. A lot of times people are like, I don't know if I trust that. If I push it, is it going to make all my stuff disappear? Is it going to cause me problems? Let me tell you one thing it really does is it helps prevent hackers from getting into your site. If you have the really old versions of WordPress still running on your site, your chances of getting hacked into are way higher than otherwise. Let me go ahead and go in, and we're going to go ahead and click on the Please Update Now button, and we'll show you what it does. Okay, and then you can see the first thing it says, before updating, please back up your database and your files. And we do have some tutorials on that. I have an automatic backup on this, where it automatically backs up my database on a regular basis. And I like to check and make sure that yes, those backups are still coming in. And if it's all backed up, then you just go ahead and click the update automatically. Now we got over here, updates over here in the dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. And here it's telling me that I've already backed up I already have the newest version of WordPress. If I want to, I can reinstall it again. And maybe you've had something that went wrong, and maybe you've messed up some of the files and you want to put them back on, you can do that. Your plugins are all up to date. Now, if it had plugins that needed to be updated, it would say that. And now they're saying that some of my themes here is not up to date. I'm using the 2010 Weaver, and to go ahead and I can update it to the next version. And then you click and update the themes. Now on themes, I do use caution before you update them. If you have a customized theme where you've gone in and you've made some changes yourself to it and you've modified it in some form, where you've changed the code, then when you update that theme, that code and those modifications that you've made are lost. Now with Weaver here, I love it because it gives you ways that you can customize the theme. Now this is the older version of Weaver. This is the 2010 instead of the Weaver that I'm using on this WordPress 101. But it is still a good theme, and I just really haven't done anything with it or any modifications yet. In which case, I'm good with going ahead and updating the theme. And there you go. It's backed up successfully in just a few minutes. All of this was updated quickly. You still see a 1 there. Let me refresh the page. Okay, and I'm in Firefox. I'm usually in Chrome, and it's telling me my Firefox version is out of date. Anyway, over here in the dashboard, you can see the updates are gone, and this site is now updated. It's got, even if my browser is not, it's got the current things in there. Anyway, Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers.